In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create docs and wiki pages in ClickUp Knowledge Base 2026. First, open your browser and head to clickup.com. If you're following along often, consider bookmarking the page so it's always one click away. Once the site loads, sign into your ClickUp account. You can continue with email or choose a connected social login. Pick whichever method you normally use so your workspace loads correctly. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure the correct one is selected before moving on. After logging in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. This is your central hub, where you can access tasks, notifications, and recent items. Take a second to get oriented. The main canvas is in the center, and the navigation lives on the left-hand side. In the left corner, you'll see spaces. Think of spaces as big folders or departments. Each one typically represents a team, project area, or knowledge domain. Choose the space where your documentation should live. Keeping docs in the right space helps teammates find information quickly and keeps your knowledge organized. Now, let's use docs. Docs in ClickUp are powerful, shareable pages for policies, procedures, notes, and your knowledge base. To create a new one, look for the plus button and select Docs. This opens a fresh page where you can give your document a clear, searchable title, something like Onboarding Overview or Release Process. Use headings to break up sections, add body text for details, and, if helpful, include images or links. The cleaner your structure, the easier it is for others to navigate and contribute. Once your doc is created or selected, it's time to mark it as a wiki so it stands out as part of your official knowledge base. Hover your mouse over the doc in the list or within the docs area to reveal additional options. You'll see an option to mark it up as a wiki. Click that. When it's successfully marked, you'll notice a check or similar visual indicator confirming the change. What does that do? Marking a doc as a wiki elevates it for quick reference and signals to your team that this is a source of truth. It's ideal for SOPs, FAQs, and how-to guides. As you build out your knowledge base, keep titles consistent. Use clear headings and add a short intro at the top of each page so readers know exactly what they're looking at. If your team grows, a simple naming convention and a table of contents at the top of your main wiki page can save everyone time. And that's it. You've gone from logging in, to creating a doc, to promoting it to a wiki. Keep refining your pages, encourage contributions, and your ClickUp knowledge base will stay accurate, searchable, and easy to use.